I'm using a 1-inch hoop. I'm using 2mm single strand cord. Cut a 10-inch piece of cord. Fold the cord in half equally. Take the ends around behind the hoop and through this loop. Cut 14 4.5-inch lengths. I find it much easier to do these fine detailed projects when you pin your piece down. This is the board I'm using in the tutorial. I'll put a link to it in the description below. And you use these little pins and you stick them into the board and hold down your piece. Take one of your 4.5-inch lengths, fold it in half, and place it underneath those two cords. Take another piece and fold it in half as well. Take these two ends through the loop. I like to hold those cords down with one finger, grab the other ends, and you're going to put them through this loop. Pull that tight, push it up, and then I find if I pull just the two top strings and then the two bottom strings, this makes a really nice secure knot. And now do this with all the remaining cords. Now you want to comb out the fringe. Now to cut the feather, you can use a template or you can do it freehand. I'm going to use this little template and I'm just going to cut around that template. Giving it another little comb before I trim it up a bit more. And now I'm going to trim it freehand. I have my little earring hook here. I'm going to use my needle nose pliers just to open up the hook a little bit. Attach it to my earring and then close it back up again. And then of course, you'll need two of those. If you'd like to make another pair of earrings, watch this tutorial next.